Pwede ang mini garden.
Ayan na. So, let's start from the bed. Yung deluxe nila, they have two beds. Yung isa queen size and then yung isa single bed lang. On this side, meron sila flat screen TV and merong storage for food siguro to kasi, I assume ha, kasi nandito yung ref. Mini ref lang, pero walang nakalagay sa mini ref. Siguro, bahala na kayo kung magdadala kayo ng anything. And then here, meron silang, wow, may coffee cup, then meron ding glass. Tapos, meron silang tea. Very complete. Meron ding pitcher for the water. Nandito yung painitan ng tubig. Ayan. Dito ako mag-work tomorrow. Diyan yung laptop ko. Diyan yung working station ko for 5 days. And then, of course, may split type aircon. And guess what? Meron din silang actually, yung isa, yung doon sa may Boracay breeze, meron din silang ganito. Kaso hindi ko na na-videohan. And here's the view. Papasok. Okay, so let's go to this area. This is where you can put your baggage. Or pwede rin siyang upuan actually. Hey! And may mirror dyan. And then, dito na yung area where merong safety deposit box. Kung marami kayong pera. Hindi namin magagamit yan. Wala kami masyadong pera. Ito yung sa shoes. Pwede nilagay yung shoes dyan. Diba? Marami silang storage. Dito din yung mga gamit nyo, bagahe nyo. Dito, you can hang your jackets or di kaya yung mga cardigans nyo for the beach. And then, they also provided a free umbrella for 2. And here is the bathroom. Alright. Ito yung shower. What's this? Okay. Yan. Diba? Moisturizing lotion. May towel for the face. And meron uling baso. And meron silang blower. So, you don't have to bring your blower na, guys. Kasi meron na dito kung dito kayo mag-check-in. And then, yan yung towel. Okay, that's it for the Deluxe Hanan tour. So it's our 6th day here at Boracay. We're now staying at Hanan Beach Resort. Daming nagba-volleyball. Oh, there! Lovebirds. Welcome to my vlog! Welcome to my vlog!
Welcome to Boracay!
To my vlog. Did you like that pizza vlog?
My neighbor!
I love the pizza for cheese. Saan? Ayun. What's up? What's up, Jico? Good morning. It's 9:48 a.m. but I started working at 8:30 na. I had my breakfast at 7 a.m. For now, I'll be staying here to work. Yeah. I'm going to meet Pen. I'm gonna borrow her mouse. Hi! Welcome to my vlog. Hindi.
Best friend ni Reyna yan.
Hi, Anthony. Oo. Magkano to? Ano yan? CR. Wow, may balcony pa. So, diba guys, pagka mag-check-in ka, ay, ang bayan plus pwede ka maglaba. CR nila. Yan. Ay, ang ganda ng CR. Perfect. O, diba? Pag marami kayo, dito na kayo sa short time. Yes. Diba? Ang ganda. Ang laki nga eh. Tapos 3,000 lang to per night. And then, meron pa silang second floor. Wow! Ay, socially balcony din. Oh, amazing. Short time.
Nahuto na eh.
Gusto ko malasing sa JC ngayon.
Parang hindi.
Ha? Oo, let loose. Me too, guys.
Sige.
For love.
Tayo.
Lahat tayo.
Ha?
Ayan na ah. Anong Chico? Anong message mo for Ate JC's viewers?
Ha?
Anong message mo para sa viewers ni Ate JC?
Keep viewing.
The key to happy life is
over at this place. Super nice at Hanan. Anong tong Hanan na to? Hanan Palm with Rachel. Say hi and Jico! Yeah! Oo nga, bawal pa mag-ingay. Good morning vlog. So, here we are after 15 siya
pwede sa JC kumain sa
Hindi,
buffet nila.
bawal
Sabi ko
sa...
nga, baka pwede.
Bye guys. Bye. See ya. Thank you. I'm back here at Crystals. Hindi ako umuwi. So liberating. Naka-sleepover ako sa hotel room ng mga workmates ko. Back. Good afternoon. So it's our 8th day here in Bora. So right now I'm heading to the pool. So try ko naman yung pool nila kasi lagi na lang ako nasa beach. Hindi ako pumasok ngayon pero late na rin ako lumabas kasi nga nag-catch up pa ako sa mga emails. Baka everyone is in the beach na kaya wala nang tao sa pool. I'm gonna go with the pool. Yeah. Thank you. I'm so done swimming. So next I'm gonna go to take a bath, get changed, and have dinner with my workmates. Most of my money actually I spent with food. Hindi ako masyadong activity. Siguro ang naging activity ko lang yung paddleboard. Yun lang. To my vlog!
Tanong tayo kay Kuya.
Parang gusto ko ng Coke. Sarap kasi Coke sa mga gantong pagkain.
Coke, baka naman. Naka-vlog ba?
Ay, Coke na kaya. Ang sarap na. Nawala yung umay. Itong fish ceviche with mango. Thank you.
Kalaban ulit tayo. Try natin to.
Okay lang yun. Lagyan ang vinegar to take down all of yun.
Says after eating buffet, ito kami sa dessert area. Dessert na tayo, guys. Okay, magda-dessert na tayo.
Tayo pwede. Para sa mga heartbroken dyan. Pinagtapuso'y walay mo hangganan at tanging ibig ako. Palakit kayo ah. Yung mga hindi pwede. Dahil may nauna.
This is us after second round of dessert. So, today is my 9th day here in Boracay. I'm gonna go meet one of my seniors in Licoy, my mommy. Mami Cindy Eunice. Nasa breakfast area daw sila. Hopefully maabutan ko pa sila kasi parang 7:45 AM pa nung nag-chat siya na nandun na sila sa breakfast area. So, tulog pa! Hi baby! Ito room niya? Ito room niya?
Hindi, sa taas pa kami. Hanan? Dito ka nag-stay? 8 days?
Ay, hindi naman. 5 days. Doon kami sa station 1 sa may Boracay base. 5 days kami dito. 5 days, 4 nights. Ang mahal kaya dito.
Oh, truth. Kaya sabi ko,
Ano, mayaman ako, mami. Kahanap ko mayaman tayo.
ito na to si Gina. Tayo mas.
Kasi, dito talaga tayo sa hallway.
Sure.
Sure. Send ko to dun sa group namin. Welcome to my vlog. Man ko lang. Made for two.
Yeah, I know it's hard to remember the
Mahal kita, hindi to bola. It's the same old feeling back again.
they were too young
To know what love is real, even brighter than it did before. Di pa kasi masabi ng puso ang nadarama. Pansinin mo rin kaya at saka beneath my bed at disco balls. Welcome to my vlog! Tara. Hi!
Makikiswimming lang ako, guys.
Yes, may kisingin siya dito sa Sky Pool.
So, kung mapapanood to ng Hanan episode,
Makita mo ba yun? I'm sorry, kasi meron tayong gate crusher. Ay! Mami! give you a room tour on my third hotel here in Boracay. This is Loks Boutique Hotel. So, as you can see, double bed to. Combined it together. So, ako lang naman mag-isa. Maganda siya, spacious, and magandang interior niya. I have my own balcony. So, syempre, meron silang electric kettle. Meron ding complimentary na coffee and water. Meron silang flat screen TV. Let's check on. So, yan yung mga things ko. May split type aircon and yung mismong bed. Okay. So, ito ang CR. Okay. Yan. Meron din blower. Ito yung shower area. Okay. Yeah, that's it. Diba? Nice naman. I love clean sheets na white. So, yep. That's it for my room tour for the third hotel here in Boracay.
Just pa na ugali.
Hindi ko napansin yun.
Diba? Punta mo takaw.
This is our last night here in Bora.
Hindi ako pagka umaga nung nakaraan. Biglang umaga nung nakaraan.
Ano pa ka?
Love! Hindi ka na mag-swimming na tayo. Hindi.
Ganda.
Saray na yan. Ha? Malapit na siya sa